I'm no man. I'm no man. Ah, just kidding, guys. I'm not that old. Today is actually one of my best days in Bee Swarm. So, guess what we're gonna do today? Oh, don't mind my skin. Sorry. I have a better skin. Don't worry. Okay, yeah. So, guess. You will never guess, guys. Oh wait. Oh my God. What am I doing? I completely forgot how to do an intro. I've been gone for so long. I've been gone for months. Sorry, guys, about that. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, wait. I never realized that. I never realized it shows. Oh, anyways, enough wasting time. Today we are going to buy the porcelain proto hive. Let's go. I mumbled there. I was like, ooh, because I had like no idea what to say. I'm like, oh. Anyways, let's get straight into it. I've been so excited. I finally have enough honey. Like, I've been grinding for a week. I'm gonna go slowly. Here it is. I finally get to buy it. A rare and precious portal hive that boosts white pollen. 3, 2, 1, guys. Let's sit. 5 likes equals rip 250 million honey. Oh, I don't even want to look at it. It's probably so beautiful. Oh, finally. Let's go. Finally, I have it. I finally have this thing. Now I look like a mid-game pro. Now I look like a mid-game pro, and my capacity is 3 million. Let's go. Oh, I finally have it. Now all I need to do is try to buy the honey mask. But I'm still working on Operation Gummy Bee. Guys, just leave a comment down below. Hopefully comments are disabled, because it's always disabled. Anyways, so leave a comment. Oh, I got the levitation, if you guys didn't realize that. Leave a comment down below if I should, like, oh my God, I haven't done YouTube in so long. Like, I haven't done YouTube in so long, so I'm kind of forgetting. So let's just head over to the honey mask. So should I save for, because you see, if we go over here, look at the honey mask. I already have 25 enzymes, 50 oil. Should I save for, I'm tired. It's like 7 a.m. in the morning. So should I save up for the honey mask? Or should I start grinding for the honey mask? Or should I, because I'm really good. I'm really close to getting the gummy bee over here. Who is doing the ant challenge? What? Is that even possible? What the heck? Maybe it's glitched from my last time I did it. I don't know. I mean, wait. If you guys wanted to see my high score. Bro, I need a new amulet. I seriously do. I really do need a new amulet. Okay, high score 95. I really need a diamond amulet. Anyways, so let's go head over to the gummy bee. I wish it wasn't this hard. It's lagging a little bit today. Oh my God. I'm just gonna have to go the old way that people go, I guess. Yeah, this is the like really boring way. There's an ant pass here. You guys can collect that, I guess, if you didn't collect that. Okay, yeah. Okay, for some reason, guys, like look here. Wait, let me just turn gummy bee music off. Look. When you pass here, it just turns the gummy bee music on when you're not even here. Like, it should turn it on when you're, like, on it. Like, on this. Do I need gummy bee? Is that why you don't? Is that why you want to kill me? Do I need gummy bee? I think that's why. Okay, well, they're not seeing it clearly. Who's not seeing clearly? You're not seeing clearly. Ow! Gummy bear, why'd you do that? Now I have sticky gum drops all over me. Whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna. What should I do? Should I just test it out? Okay. So I do have the Riley bee thing, so I'm just gonna kill a scorpion. Cause I want to be a red hive when I become like really good. So like when I want to get the dark scythe. So I probably will never actually get it. So, okay. So now we're gonna just get a red boost. Hopefully we get rose. Please get rose. I really need rose right now. Rose. Oh, come on. We got mushroom. Mushroom's fine. I mean, wait. Let's keep rolling until we get rose. Oh, we got mushroom times 4. Okay, I'll keep that. Yeah, I'll keep that. I'll keep that. Yeah, mushroom times 4 is pretty good. Oh, okay. For a second I thought I had to switch to the red portal hive, but I'm like, nah, dude. Oh no, my capacity is less in this field. That sucks. It's fine, I guess. I finished so far 1 Riley bee quest. I mean, they're pretty easy. They're not that hard. So now, I don't care what happens. I am getting 35 bees. I have 31. I just need 4 more. Oh, by the way, I fixed my hive, bro. Guys, I was like a toothpaste hive before, and now I'm like completely. Now I'm like good. I'm like a good hive. Like, I'm not a bad hive now. Like, oh, I got a ticket. That's pretty good. Okay, anyways. So like before, I was like a complete toothpaste hive. Like everything was like what do you call it? Yeah, legendaries. Everything was like legendary bees. But yesterday I just fixed my hive a little. I mean, it's not that fixed. Still a few legendaries. I mean, I'm not supposed to remove all the legendaries, keep some, but like you see this part, guys, like this entire half was all legendaries. Well, the fishy speed was there and the thing was there, but like all of this fire bee, this rage bee was all, even the Riley bee was all legendary, even the gifted thing. So no, I lost my. Oh, anyways, whatever. I'm just gonna keep rolling until I get Rose. Anyway, now I'm out of them, so I'm just gonna keep grinding. Hello? Not getting as much pollen as I'm supposed to get. Oh. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna use this thing. Where's Baby Love? Baby Love is a 2-temp pollen. I need Baby Love, my guy. But yes, give me Baby Love. Haha, I have Baby Love. Yeah, so it's not super good for wait a minute. Yeah, it has lots of capacity in the, for some reason it has lots of capacity in it has 3 million capacity in the, I keep forgetting the fields are called. Pine Tree Forest. Yeah, Pine Tree Forest. Okay. So I look like a mid-game pro, like one of my friends. His name is 10CZX. I think. Yeah. His name is 10CZX. Let me just go convert this. I know. I'm sorry, guys. My convert rate is not that much. It's only my convert rate is only like 2,000. No, not 2,000. 1,000. Oh wait. Oh, right. It made my convert rate better, but still not the best convert rate. I mean, yeah, I guess. Some pros have like a billion convert rate. Just kidding. You probably knew that. probably kind of try to fix my hive a little. Oh my god, I am so broke on royal jellies. I have none. So I'm not even broke. I'm like, I don't even know what. Okay, first of all, it makes sense. I royal jellied so many of my gifted bees. It sucks. I'm so dumb. Because I thought the legendaries are really good, so I royal jellied them. You know. It's normal. I'm very dumb. You know that, right? Yeah, so anyways. I'm just gonna feed all these. I know. I'm wasting lots of food to the photon bee, but I seriously need, I'm saving treats, so I'm not gonna feed that to the photon bee for I'm saving for the honey mask. I'm pretty sure you guys got that, right? Yeah, anyways. So, sights on the stars. That's why I just need one more bee to level 9, and photon bee is closest to level 9. Wait, actually, I'm just gonna level it. I'm not gonna level it up, but maybe I'll give it. Oh, I'll feed it like 10, I guess. Yeah, so, wait, did I forget to say this? Yeah, leave a like and subscribe. So, yeah, just leave a like and subscribe. If you guys if I didn't say that, just leave a like and subscribe. Anyways, so now it's time to save up treats. So what shall I do? I guess should be the end of the video. Just please, guys, leave a like and subscribe. This is one of my best moments of Beast World. I don't know. I look like a mid-game pro. That's really the only reason, I guess. Like, I look like a mid-game pro. Like, it's like so good. I don't look like a mid-game pro. So, I'm saving up. If you guys didn't know, I'm saving up for the dark. Saving for, what did I just do? I'm saving for the scythe. It's just really expensive, 200 stingers. Wait, I've gotten 200 stingers before. There should be like 500 stingers. Oh, why? This is a really OP item. Why is it not? Anyways, harvest flames to unlock their dark potential. 10. Because I want to be a red hive because this looks really cool. Oh, it's a lot of extracts. Anyways, so I've been thinking before, like when I was like a complete noob, something like that. Like, not a complete noob, like when I still had the blue proto hive, when I still had the red proto hive and I didn't buy the blue proto hive, I was thinking that maybe I should buy this. But then I'm like, wait a second. Maybe I shouldn't buy it, because most people prefer this. Elol, you see, Elol even prefers this, but me, like, in my opinion, I prefer the dark scythe. Like, it's just much more, like, better for me. Well, not better. They're probably equal. Like, it's not like it's better or worse. But seriously, Vicious Bee, you don't have to make a token. I literally kill it before you even. So there was, offering. I'm never gonna finish the first offering. Like, look at this. I need 35 bees for this. It's gonna take like 3,000 years or something. Like, really? I'm just gonna go do a memory match if you guys don't mind. So let's go do a memory match. Wait a minute. Should I save?